Tolasana. It is an advanced asana. It is slightly difficult to do. In this, we need to lift the body and entire weight will be on the hands, arms. So we have to sit in Padmasana and then do it. First, let's get into Padmasana. See, you can either keep the hands like this or this way. Anything is fine. Some people find this difficult. Those, they can keep like this. Okay, I'll show both the variations. So try to keep the hands close to the body, close to the thighs. Okay, don't keep it away. That makes it very difficult. It should be close to the thighs. Okay, like this. And then lift and hold it. You can hold it as long as possible. First thing. Second thing, you don't have to hold the breath while in asana. Okay, let the body breathe. Don't hold the breath. Don't control the breath. The same thing. See, this is how it is. You can keep like this and then lift. Same thing as I said. You can also do it on the palm like this. You can try both the variations. Whichever is easy for you, you can practice that. As I said, this has a lot of benefits to the core also. And also it is good for the hands. If you are planning to strengthen your arms, biceps, shoulders, practice this regularly to get the benefits out of this. As I said, if you are new to yoga, if you are new to this asana, start with few seconds and then you can gradually take it up to 30 seconds or 1 minute. That's more than sufficient. To get the benefits out of this, you have to do it regularly, correctly. Morning is the best time, otherwise evening is the best time. This has multiple benefits starting from, it will strengthen your wrist, elbow, shoulders, and also especially it is good for the core. If you are planning to reduce your tummy fat, this helps a lot. And also this will strengthen